Echoes in the static, voices in the fog.
Some men are born in the light, others are shaped in shadow. This ain't a story about glory, it's a story about survival, about a boy who saw his reflection and flinched. My name is Eli.
Dusty corners where the barrels collide. Selling moans, low tears drip then glide. Paving these dreams, spit bones aside. But hope grows green even where roots die.
Oh shadows, oh grace, in the darkness find a place. Oh shadows, oh grace, let the light carve through the haze. Let the light carve through the
Trap snare snap like a whip in the air. Life's a wager, every road feels unfair. Eyes to the heavens, but the angels don't stare. Still the gospel hum carries the despair.
My mother cried through contractions, not because of the pain, but because she was alone. The father said he'd be there, but left when the ultrasound showed boy. And me, I came out with my fists clenched, screaming like I already knew abandonment. My mother We moved through shelters and short-term rentals, the kind with roaches, thin walls, and gospel static on the old TV. I grew fast, started stealing snacks from corner stores, not because I was bad, because I was hungry. And the system never called me by name, except the streets. The streets called me Lil E. We moved through shelter.
her voice a beam cuts through the noise like a waking dream. Oh shadows, oh grace, in the darkness find a place. Oh,
One day, I looked in the mirror and didn't recognize the eyes. Rage, resentment, reflection of my absent father. And I did what boys do when they hurt with no healing. I cut class. I cursed God. I fought anybody who looked at me too long. It wasn't a sermon that saved me. It was a man in a barber chair, Andre. He didn't preach, just listened. And when I said, "I don't trust nobody," Andre nodded and replied, "Good, that's where God starts." It wasn't. That chair turned into a table. That table became a mirror, and that mirror showed me who I could become. A modern son, a man redeemed, not perfect, but purified through fire. Corinthians 13:11 says, "When I was a child, I spoke as a child. I understood as a child. I thought as a child. But when I became a man, I put away childish things." I'm learning to let go, not all at once, but little by little, until the boy in the mirror bowed to the man becoming. This is more than a story. It's a mirror for every son who thought pain disqualified them from purpose. But I'm proof that God still builds with broken bricks. Subscribe, share, and come back next week for the fire that made Micah. 1 Corinthians